Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the device so the switch goes smoothly. Make sure you are signed into the correct account and have recent backups. This prevents data loss. Once done, verify the app version and grant any required permissions so the app can transfer settings. Now open System Settings, then navigate to Apps or App Management. This is where you initiate the switch. Be ready to select the specific app. That first tap begins the process and exposes the options you'll need next. You now focus on the app's internal options to execute the switch. Tap the app entry, then choose Storage or Advanced options to find Export and Transfer tools. If available, use Export or Transfer to move settings and data. Otherwise, clear cache to avoid stale files causing conflicts. Make sure to set default handlers and relink accounts that the new app will use. Doing this ensures data continuity, and that links, notifications, and intents route to the new app correctly. You finish by installing or enabling the replacement app and importing the exported data. Follow on-screen prompts and accept permissions. Once imported, test core functions, log in, send a test notification, and open several data items to confirm access. If things fail, force stop and reopen the app, then reinstall or restore from backup. This often clears migration hiccups. Finally, make sure default app assignments reflect the change so future links open the new.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.